Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Good morning, good morning. Another day, another vlog. Today is Wednesday. So, well, anyway, guys, good morning. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and tap the notification bell. If you did not know my name, guys, I am Marge. Oh, I am Marge from Province Girl, guys. I'm proudly Province, guys. I'm proudly representing. Charis. Just kidding, guys. So, well, anyway, for today's video, guys, I just want to update you what happened to me, and then I want to let you know that I'm really proud from province, guys. So, well, anyway, number one, who didn't know, I'm not bragging here. Hindi ako nagmamayagabang or no other meaning, guys. So, I am province girl, raised and born. Charis, raised and born. And if you do not know, guys, I'm working as a virtual assistant based in UK. And then, if you wonder why I keep doing live stream, guys, this YouTube, this video, or this, if you saw me live stream, I'm just doing live stream, guys. This is my another side hustle, you know. So don't ever underestimate uh, people or girl or people from province, guys, because not all people from province are bigar, diba? And then second thing, guys, I never ask any piso here, you know. And to all people who giving me, I'm not asking to them. They are very genuinely, I just surprised, you know. So yeah, that's it. And then here in YouTube, I'm not asking. If you don't like me, don't stay with me. Don't spread, you know, don't spread negativity, because we focus in positive. But well, anyway, I want to give some advice to girls out there who doesn't have a job. Please, girls, get up there, use your phone, because I know you have phone. That's why you can watch my vlogs. Instead of keep scrolling on social media, please get up and search affiliates. Ayan. Hanap kayo, gawa kayo ng affiliates. I-search nyo yan, paano mag-affiliates. Because nowadays, take advantage in social media, because nowadays, you can earn through social media, guys. Don't be shy. As long as you never step anybody else or anybody right there or anyone, you know. Yan ang importante, ang mahalaga ay importante, Charis. Yun po, guys. So if you, everywhere we go, guys, you know what, we will never be starved if you are not lazy, you know. And then our age is we are getting older, you know. And then make your own finance, and then travel. That's it, because life is too short. And then second thing, guys, to girls out there, it's nice to have our own finance, because number one, if you don't like your partner or he doesn't like you, it's not hurt, guys, diba? You can stand alone without him or without her. That's it. Because it's very different when you have your own finance. Be independent, you know. So well, anyway, guys, for my exercise, I'm doing this for my health. Especially I'm aiming every day to do exercise, because I'm getting old, you know. I'm getting old, I'm not getting younger. This is me. Ayan po. So after this video, guys, this is impronto, I'm gonna upload this right away. I will do also a live stream, you know. And you did not know why I still I can still do live stream in morning, because I don't want to waste my time, guys, diba? I don't want to waste my time. Why I have time while I'm waiting for my work time as my job as a virtual assistant, what I'm doing live stream. That's it. Ayan. O, diba? Oh, but anyway, guys, I stopped weightlifting. I know if you've been watching my live stream. That time, remember last Saturday, I think, weekend, I'm doing my weightlifting. I got injured, guys, in my back, so I'm not allowed to do right now weightlifting. What I'm doing is jogging, doing a simple do like this. That's it, you know. So, ayan. And then for my butt. Because supposedly I'm working out my arms, guys. So yeah. So yeah, I'm proud being Filipina. I'm proud. So ayan po. Sorry kung minsan maldita ako. Yeah. Because I'm sorry to the people who are kanang I said mean shit. Because sometimes, guys, you know, you're just lucky ko if I didn't turn to monster. So well, anyway, thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna end this. Thank you so much. If you have any suggestion, guys, comment down below because I'm gonna make that video. Thank you again. This is me, Marge Diday. Ingat, amping, take care.